Grove students shine bright in CBSE 2024 results, setting new benchmarks. Celebrating remarkable achievements, Class 12 CBSE results at KIIT World School, New Delhi. Vidya Vihar Residential School students shine in CBSE 2024 exams. Sri Sharada Public School achieves 100% pass rate in CBSE Grade 10 exams. KIIT World School, New Delhi hosts enchanting event honoring motherhood through cultural performances. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the much-awaited result of Class 12 CBSE 2024 is out and Pine Grove students have excelled yet again, bringing laurels to the institution. Radhika became the school topper by scoring a staggering 97.4% in humanities. She scored a perfect 100 in political science too. Sanmeet Sharma has topped the commerce stream with an amazing 96.2%. Rohan N has topped the science stream with 95.2%. 44 students have scored 90% and above, which is 57% of the total number of students who appeared in the Class 12 CBSE examination. Apart from this, 8 students in fine arts and 2 students in political science have scored perfect 100. In the Class X CBSE 2024 exam, 2 the students have done exceptionally. Arish Garg secured the top spot with 97.4%. The performance of all the students is commendable. Pine Grove School wishes them all the very best in all their endeavors as they strive to reach great heights in their life. KIIT World School, New Delhi is celebrating a momentous achievement as its Class 12 students excelled in the CBSE 2023-24 board examinations. This success reflects the students' diligent efforts and the school's relentless pursuit of excellence. Among the top achievers, Saksham Agarwal and Dhruv Sharma, both from the commerce stream, emerged as joint school toppers, each securing an impressive 491 out of 500 marks. Additionally, Himani Dhaka earned a perfect score in psychology, while Dhruv Sharma achieved the same in business studies, underscoring their exceptional mastery in these subjects. The school's overall performance is further highlighted by an outstanding average score of 84.10 and a remarkable total of 695 distinctions earned by 155 students. These figures not only reflect the academic prowess of the students but also the effectiveness of KIIT World School's New Delhi holistic educational approach, which aims to nurture well-rounded individuals. Vidya Vihar Residential School celebrates a resounding triumph as its students achieve unprecedented success in the CBSE SA 2024 examinations. With a 100% success rate, the school sets new benchmarks for academic excellence. Oman Kumar leads the pack as the school topper with an impressive 97.4%, closely followed by Savan Kumar Jha and Bhartendu Kunal with stellar scores of 96.8% and 96.4% respectively. An outstanding 16 students scored above 95%, showcasing exceptional proficiency across subjects. The school management attributes this remarkable achievement to the dedication of both students and teachers, reflecting Vidya Vihar's commitment to fostering holistic education and academic excellence. Congratulations pour in from all quarters as Vidya Vihar Residential School reaffirms its position as a beacon of educational excellence in Bihar. Sri Sharada Public School has achieved a remarkable 100% pass rate in the CBSE Grade 10 examination for the academic year 2023-24. The top performers, Chirantan U and Hridya Veena RR, both scored 95%, leading their class with distinction. School Secretary Shri R.M. Srivatsa extended his congratulations to the students, Administrator Gururaja M., Principal SMT Shalini M.V., and all the staff members for their outstanding efforts and dedication, which culminated in this stellar achievement. The school community is celebrating this significant milestone, which highlights the institution's commitment to academic excellence. KIIT World School, New Delhi hosted a captivating event that honored motherhood through cultural performances, attended by esteemed guests like Dr. Mrs. Balesh Kumari, Deputy Director of Education, Suneet Mann from Zone 11 and Kamal Sagar, founder of Aap Beeti News Channel. The event featured symbolic rituals like the lamplighting ceremony and showcased artistic expressions of the bond between mothers and children. The cultural panorama unfolded with a melodic portrayal of Navrasa, epitomizing the indomitable Shakti embodied by Mother. Principal Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia and Dr. Balesh Kumari emphasized the significant role of mothers in shaping individuals and societies. The event left a lasting impression on attendees, evoking deep emotions and serving as a poignant reminder of the enduring influence of maternal love. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.